marks not only the celebration but also to all my second PUC or outgoing batch. All our lecturers, myself Farida ma'am, Yasin sir have burnt ourselves like a candle to give you the light of knowledge. We expect you to take this little lamp around the world and let it shine and let it shine. Let it shine on the sands of time, for posterity will remember Syed Bare PU College forever and ever. I am happy to state and proud to say that in the year 2019, 16 students have taken medical seat in the year 2019. I call all the gathering to give a big round of applause for them.
For many years, we have proved that Syed Bare College in Gulbarga is capable enough to groom students to meet their destination with complete confidence.
इस दुनियाई माहौल में जितनी ज़रूरी दीन की तालीम है उतनी ही ज़रूरी दुनियाई तालीम भी है। इन दोनों को हम सही बैलेंस करेंगे तो आपकी मेहनत रंग लाएगी और आप दुनिया में भी कामयाब होंगे और आखिरत में भी कामयाब होंगे।
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I like to congratulate Farida Madam on the great success of Syed Bare cultural activity and felicitation of the toppers. It has been an incredible achievement by the Farida Madam Institute in achieving 16 medical seats. I like to congratulate one and all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to congratulate Ms. Farida Madam for her achievement in PU College and this successful program conducted by her, and hope for a better future.
Hello everyone, myself Afshan Tabassum. First of all, I want to say that by the grace of God and the blessings of my parents and teachers, especially dear Farida Madam, I am here to speak as a MBBS student. So I am feeling very good to express my gratitude towards my beloved Farida Madam, as she was very enthusiastic, motivational and supportive person in my life. Thank you ma'am for everything. Talking about the studies in Syed Bair Academy is wonderful. The academy provides fantastic lectures, classes up to the NEET level, JEE level and of course CET. I really thankful to be a part of Syed Bair Academy. Thank you.
Hello viewers, this is Syed Aftab Ahmed, motivational speaker from Mysore. My heartiest congratulations to the management, staff and the students of this prestigious college, Syed Bair Gulbarga. Time and again they have done wonders and they have proved that they are the best and they have made a right beginning. This college has given strong foundation for many doctors, engineers and many other professionals. They are doing a great job in the field of education. My best wishes are always with them, and I promise and commit to the management of Syed Bair College that I'm always with them in the field of education. My best wishes, good luck to all of them, and they have just made a beginning few years back and many more to come, and I personally look forward to have many such achievements to achieve. At this juncture, this reminds me a beautiful poem which I read in my school days. Woods are dark, lovely and deep, but I have promises to keep. Miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, this college has to go miles before it sleeps, and let's look forward for yet another milestone from this college. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Gulbarga. Farida Madam has a strong vision to uplift girl-child education in Gulbarga, and I'm looking up to promote the boys who are the bread owners of their family to hold up a good status in education. They should value education, come up with very good moral ethics, religious ethics, so that the future of our country would be bright. I want the minority community students to uphold the values of education, values of morals and religious values, so that in future India will shine by the name of our students. We want in Gulbarga to be many more Tanveer, many more Fauzia Madam, so that many IAS will be ranked from minority community. Farida Madam's strong appeal is to all the parents that take your children as the most valuable asset. They are the fragrance of flowers. They are the sunshine of your life. When we lose one property, we become so tensed. But when the life of our own child comes to an hell, comes down, so how much failure are we? Please parents, try to understand. Promote the boys for good learning. Promote girls to take up seats in Bangalore, to move on for an higher MBBS versions outside Gulbarga. Life outside Gulbarga is very wonderful and very much secured. It is we parents who have to promote our children to an higher pedestals of success. Farida Madam's earnest desire is to have in Gulbarga a revolving building, and my engineers are going to do that. I want in Gulbarga very good doctors. What medical doctors we have created, we want them to serve in Gulbarga society, so that in future no one will be going outside Gulbarga for any health issues. Farida Madam is promoting her life as a sacrifice to all the students community, where students will achieve a coveted position in their life. Farida Madam is going to promote in my one life of mine. I want many lives to shine, many lives to illuminate, so that we will have glittering stars in Gulbarga who will illuminate and take up the light of Gulbarga around country. We want Gulbarga to become a very successful place. We want Gulbarga to be a respected city in India and shine Gulbarga on a higher pedestals of success.